When Mother Nature gets angry, we all feel the heat. Hurricane Milton, a recent monster of the Atlantic, made headlines for its lightning-fast intensification. With wind speeds topping 130 miles per hour, Milton left a trail of destruction in its wake. But this isn't just another storm story. It's a stark reminder of our changing climate. Experts warn that hurricanes like Milton are becoming more frequent and more severe. This isn't a distant problem, it's happening now. And the culprit? Rising global temperatures and warmer ocean waters. As we rebuild and recover, we need to ask ourselves, are we prepared for the next big one? How are you preparing for the reality of extreme weather events? Join the conversation. Share your thoughts. Because when it comes to climate change, we can't afford to stay silent.